You want to know more about Roselle Hibiscus? So watch this video. Stay tuned to the end of the video for 2 special bonuses. The scientific name of Roselle Hibiscus is Hibiscus sabdariffa. Some of the more common names are Roselle Hibiscus, Florida cranberry, Jamaican sorrel, and Indian sorrel, among others. The experts say that Roselle Hibiscus will grow in zones 3 through 11. In zones 3 through 7, it grows as an annual. In zones 8 through 11, it grows as a perennial. But in my personal experience, here in zone 9B in Florida, it still grows as an annual. Roselle is a very low maintenance plant. It grows 3 to 6 feet tall. It requires 6 or more hours of full sun. It's not picky about soil, clay, loamy soil, sandy soil, doesn't matter. It prefers well-drained soil. However, it will tolerate wet feet, a little standing water, a little flooding, just as long as it isn't more than a few days. Roselle Hibiscus is a very attractive plant. It's very well known for its gorgeous flowers, and the calyxes are equally as attractive. Roselle is a little bit different than the other hibiscuses that I'm accustomed to. The flowers are very much smaller and the calyxes are very large. That makes them good for tea. There's more flesh on the calyxes to use. Leaves, the flowers, roots, seeds, and calyxes are all edible and considered to be a natural remedy throughout the world. The leaves are typically eaten in salads. Sometimes you can also make tea from the leaves. The calyxes can be eaten raw. They taste kind of like a cranberry. It's more common to use the calyxes in tea. That is pretty much true for all hibiscuses. Before the flowers open up, they're this pink color here. And then when they fully open up, they're white. The calyxes will mature in late October through December. Bonus number 1, click on the card to learn about my personal experience beating high blood pressure using Roselle Hibiscus tea. Bonus number 2 is this handy reference card with all the characteristics of Roselle Hibiscus.